Hello, my name is Sophia, and I'm 35 years old. I live in a peaceful little town called Willowbrook, surrounded by green hills and quiet streets. I'm a proud housewife and a mother of 3 wonderful children. My husband is a dedicated school teacher, and together, we've built a life full of love and simple joys. Every morning, my day begins at 6 a.m. The soft sound of my alarm wakes me gently. Though I feel a bit sleepy, I'm filled with excitement for the new day. I stretch my arms, get out of bed, and head to the bathroom. I splash cold water on my face, brush my teeth, and comb my hair. Looking in the mirror, I smile, ready to start the day. I walk to the kitchen feeling hungry and start preparing breakfast for my family. Most mornings, I cook eggs and toast. I crack the eggs into a pan and let them sizzle, while the toaster pops the bread to a golden brown. I also brew a pot of coffee for my husband. The smell of breakfast fills the house. By 6:30 a.m., the children are waking up. I call them to the table, and we sit down together for breakfast. We talk about the day ahead while enjoying our meal. It's a warm and peaceful time before the rush begins. After breakfast, I wash the dishes using warm water and soap. Once the kitchen is clean, I help the children get dressed for school. Each one picks out their favorite clothes. I help the youngest tie her shoes. They look neat and cheerful, ready to start their day. At 7:45 a.m., we leave the house. My husband takes the older children to school while I walk the youngest to preschool. She holds my hand tightly as we walk through the neighborhood, talking about flowers and the sunshine. After dropping her off, I return home to a quiet house. I take this moment to clean, dusting the furniture, wiping windows, and vacuuming the floors. I like keeping our home tidy and welcoming. By 10 a.m., I head out for grocery shopping. I bring a list and enjoy choosing fresh fruits, vegetables, bread, and snacks for the kids. It's something I've come to enjoy, a quiet time just for me. I return home around 11 a.m., put away the groceries, and check my list one more time to make sure I didn't forget anything. Then I sit on the sofa, take a deep breath, and read a book for a little while. At 12 p.m., I begin preparing lunch. Today it's pasta with tomato sauce and some vegetables for flavor. I set the table just in time for the children to return. Home at 12:30 p.m., they rush in, hungry and full of stories. We eat together and talk about their day at school. After lunch, I wash the dishes and clean up the kitchen again. By 2 p.m., it's time for the youngest to take a nap. I read her a short story, and soon she's fast asleep. During her nap, I use the time to check emails and reply to messages. At 3:30 p.m., she wakes up, and we play together in the living room. We build towers with blocks and draw colorful pictures. These are special moments that I truly cherish. By 4:30 p.m., my husband returns home from work. He greets us with a smile, and we all sit down for a small snack, usually cookies and milk. Afterward, I help the older children with their homework, sitting with them and explaining anything they don't understand. At 6 p.m., I begin making dinner. Tonight it's chicken with rice and steamed vegetables. The kitchen smells amazing. By 6:30 p.m., we're all gathered at the dinner table once again, talking and sharing our favorite moments of the day. After dinner, we clean up together. It's something we all do as a family. I love seeing everyone working side by side. At 8 p.m., the children get ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth, and then I read a bedtime story to the youngest. The older ones read quietly in their rooms. By 9 p.m., I check on them. They're tucked into bed, sleeping peacefully. I kiss them goodnight and head back to the living room where I spend some quiet time with my husband. We watch a show or simply talk about our day. Finally, at 10:30 p.m., I go to bed, tired but happy. This is my daily routine. I love being a housewife. Every moment spent taking care of my family fills my heart with joy. Life is busy, but it's full of love, and that's what matters most. Thank you so much for spending a day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories and daily life moments. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay kind, stay grateful, and take care. Bye for now.